So it's been a while since I've done any update videos. So here is the 65 coupe. Don't know if I've done any videos on this car or not yet. I've got a lot of pictures up. I started this in August. This is a 3-owner car. I think it spent most of its life in Alabama, almost completely rust-free. I had to put a patch on that side, and the other side there's a little bit of body damage on this quarter. It was painted once before, so I had to get that straightened up. All original sheet metal, most of the trim, drip rail trim. Roof is in really nice shape. Going with was an original 289 2-barrel car. This is a 289 out of a different car. It was rebuilt. Got Scott Drake headers, the Sniper 2 fuel injection setup. You can see we're in the middle of installing that. Steve's working on the wiring here in the engine bay. GT style. Actually, they're original GT fog lights, just not original to the car. The Holley Retro Bright LED lights. I think the only panel on the car that's not original is this front relance, and it is a NOS unit that was on the car when we started tearing it apart. I think it was from the 1980s, so it's all Ford metal. It's just that's the only piece that's not original. All new suspension. Did the Shelby drop. Did disc brakes, front and rear. 15-inch wheels. Original rocker molding. Did replace the door handles, and they are new old stock lock cylinders with keys. The original interior, it's actually the original paint of the inside of the door here. Same with the dash. The electronic power steering with, I did it tilt column. Still a bit of wiring to do in there. The control box here is right above the air stuff. Refinished heater box, new heater core. It's got the brass heater core in it. We cut out the seat pans and welded 1/4-inch plate in here. It's also welded to the subframe connectors to tie everything together. That's because we're running full height Corbeau or Cobra seats with harness style. I put 3-point seat belts in. Everything's welded in there. Heavy plate where the anchor, retractable. Just waiting on some new quarter panel trim, and then I can get the quarter windows in. I need a couple of seals, and then I'm ready to put the door glass in. Excellent lines on the car. The gaps are all really nice. I have a little bit of adjusting to do on the fender, but they're really close. They look really good up here at the cowl. This one has to come in just a little bit more. As you can see, though, super straight panels. Really nice car. And a little bit of alignment to do on the fender there. And we've got new, we're gonna clean up the original badges and put those on. And underneath, actually back here. So new taillight stuff. The original 65 gas door. So some of the stuff is weathered, but it's easy stuff to replace in the future. The rear bumper is original to the car. Actually has the parking sticker from 1977 from the college that the customer went to. Underneath, we've got mid-eye leaf springs to lower it a little bit. Also got disc brakes in the back. Stock 8-inch rear, freshened up. New seals, new bearings, new shocks. A little bit of wiring to tie up here. This has the Holley retrofit fuel pump, so it's internally regulated at 58 pounds for the Sniper. No need to run a return line, and it fits in the stock style tank. So that's a pretty cool setup. We're on the other side, and you can see the Tin Man Fab subframe connectors that we put in. There, they tie in to the front frame rails. Come right down, so everything underneath the car is super clean. Got a C4 that was rebuilt years ago. It came out of a friend's car who did a auto to manual swap last year. Lots of wiring, odds and ends. Finished the Dakota Digital dash. Underneath here, all new suspension, all new bushings on everything, all the steering, ball joints, everything is new. Larger sway bar, I think it's a 1-inch sway bar. Starter. Still a lot of odds and ends to go, but we're getting close. It's gonna be a really nice car when it's finished. I'm looking forward to seeing this one on the road this summer.